Okay, so this is it, up and running. Had it leak testing most of yesterday, got it all set up with my cables and everything, and am now running and in Windows. I've got the card overclocked in Catalyst Control Center, and it's sitting at 27 degrees idle, which is pretty cool. I'm quite pleased with how it looks. I still need to get some LEDs to light up inside the case and a fan controller. Those are the two things I need to get next. But for the first weekend of it, I'm quite happy. CPU temperatures are 26 degrees idle. Played around with an overclock, got it up to 4.4 gigahertz. Ran prime on it for about half an hour and 50 degrees roughly. So that's pretty decent. Again, my biggest problem is the fans in the top are a bit loud for me. I think when I get a fan controller, I should be able to sort that, because they're running at 1850 RPM at the moment, and I'm pretty sure they don't need to be running at that constantly. Yeah, so I'm going to get some games installed and get it all tested. Bring you around the front as well. I know people will think that this is not really a matching colour, but this was built on a strict budget with lots of trades and second-hand bits and pieces that I got. Just the case and the 7970 were new. Pretty much everything else was traded, second-hand, dealt for. So I got it for a reasonable budget. I just couldn't afford all of the stuff. But anyone that's wondering, it's a 2600K i7 on a Sabertooth P67 board, ASUS, 16 gig of GSKILL Sniper RAM. It's a 7970, the ASUS one. Corsair 850 HX. They're EK compression fittings with a Hardware Labs Black Ice GTX radiator. They're Gentle Typhoons in the top, the 1850 RPM ones. The Reservoir, as you can see, is just an XSPC single bay. That's pretty much, the tubing's XSPC, the fat tubing, half-inch tubing, and the fluid is Mayhem's pastel, raspberry purple. I'm pretty pleased with everything. I will update in a few days, let you know how everything's going, but that's pretty much it for now.